Today I'm going to show you how you can make $50 per hour using Gmail account. All you need to start making this money after watching this video is a Gmail account as a PayPal account, because this is how you get paid as Somlay. PayPal is another payment method available to you. Other payment methods are also available which you can use. But before we start, please subscribe to Roladel Business and turn on notification bell so every time I upload a new video you will get notified and you can implement method before anyone, so you can make the maximum amount of money. So please do it right now and leave a comment regarding where you live, because if you do that, I'll be able to find out exactly where you live and I can make videos on your region so you can make the maximum amount of money from your own country. So let's get started. So the initial step you need to take is you must process a Gmail account with a Gmail address. To sign up, just go to your gmail.com and go here. And if you do not have a Gmail account, simply use Google search or Gmail website. Now click on there and create a Gmail account. As for me, I already have one. Therefore, the next step is to go to paypal.com and create a profile. Personal or business accounts are presently here. This is how you can generally earn money and receive your payments. If PayPal is not available in your country, let me know in the comment box below. Now click on the sign up button and here is where you can register your personal or commercial account. Then the next step would be to fill the form. Let's get started on the essentials. Create a PayPal account if you don't already have one. I already have one, but most of you don't. So individuals that are watching this video, then please go to Gmail and create a Gmail account, and with the same Gmail account create a PayPal account and you're good to go. Now I would like to show you the website that will pay you $50 per hour, and this is how you determine how much money you have. At some point in this video I'm going to give a free template to you so you can use that and make money. So stay with me to the end to get it. It's completely free. What I want to show you is a website that will pay you additionally. You will just receive over $1,000 bonus per sign up. Just imagine how much fortune it will bring every month by performing simple work online. This website's name is artcreative.ai, and if you go to this website you will see that this is how they assist others. They assist you with where they manufacture all of these photos and superior quality forward times, and everything may be done online. A few sites like this one can assist you with creating and designing ads for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Google advertisements. This is the advantage of this site. In addition to bringing Google, their website is also called Google. Now this is something that only approximately 3% of the website can accept. What they must declare is to become a Google partner, cause consequential deal providing a 500 Google offer credits for 2 new clients. Permits me to demonstrate how to make a lot of money on this website by visiting this page. Go scroll down all the way down and click here where it says partner, then participate in the Art Creative Partner program. Now you enter your surnames, email, confirmation and usage. Click on your under the robot button and make sure you are not a robot. After registering, then go to your email and validate your email. It will appear in one more phase. You must validate and your email and then request your phone number. Confirm that your PayPal address are valid. You need a PayPal account to make purchases and get paid the money that is going to come from this website. If you not purchase anything because of this one, or if you're currently purchasing the same email address, then assist by clicking and it will automatically be added to your primary email address. Now you only need to scroll down and then you will build another link. This is your affiliate link and there is a desire to modify it and create another, followed by entering a token, anything like a promotion for free credits. And now you simply click generate a link. It will duplicate for everybody who clicks on it. Use the link and create your free link, and this will be where you can create promotions that will be directed to this page. Now concern is how you receive your payment. How can I encourage you folks to sign up so I may collect their information simply to get money? Simply go to Google, and how this coupon works follows that they must incur expenditures and this spending will be matched by the site. If you think that is impressive, try this. If you're enjoying this video, then please click on the button and subscribe to Roladel Business and turn on the notification bell, and so you would get notified every time I upload a new video. So since you already explained that some cash you can double their investment spendings without, so for example, if they spend $250 on the problem on marketing, and they will provide $250 free only for signing up. All you need to do is to go to Google and look for some kind of business. For example, I'm going to search for barbers, and as you can see, there are lots of search results here. What you should be doing is merely contacting individuals that are currently spending money on advertisements. So everyone needs to visit the website, and once you get on this website, you just have to find their email and contact information, which should be somewhere on the website. So now I'm about to share the eye converting template script that I'm about to share with you, and as you can see here, this is your free template because you watched this video so far. I'm going to give it to you for free, and you can just copy it and paste it and you'll be okay. Simply put the subject on the top, and then in the body just type something about you and your advertisement affiliate link. And as you can see, there is a lot of information that you can give to them. At the bottom of this page, you just need to add your affiliate link, so they would click on the link and you get compensated for it. And that is amazing because you don't need to do anything. I already did it for you. So if that doesn't deserve like this to this video, I don't know what will, because you don't need to do anything. I already did half of the work for you. Now all you need to do is to collect a few of these emails and you'll be done. Just copy those emails and put it in a list, and then send to each individual that you have collected their emails from their website. They will click on the link and you will get compensated. And this is amazing because I made it so easy for you, and you can do it any time of the day. Just send them and the email, they will review the email, and if they click on the email, they will give you money because you're an affiliate program to this website. So that is amazing. So all you gotta do is to create a PayPal account, create a Gmail account, and sign up to artscreative.ai, and then you will become an affiliate agent for them. I already gave you the template, so you just copy the templates and then paraphrase. It will do anything with it, and then just send it to people that you have selected. So that is really easy. All you got to do is to send 100 emails a day, and you make a lot of money. You can make more than just $50 an hour, maybe $1,000. So please implement this method and let me know. Thanks for watching this video. Then please subscribe to Roladel Business and turn on notifications so to get notified about new uploading video. And if you're watching this video, then you were lucky because I'm about to give you some other videos to watch that you can also use to make more money online.